Hello guys, welcome back. And today as you can see, this is another project that I just finished doing. Okay, but I am not finished the whole thing. Okay, so I just create one part and I just have to finish it. So this project is a neck warmer. So I did one yesterday and it came out very nice, and I love the texture of this yarn, so I created a new one. So this yarn is a fairy floss, so a fairy floss yarn, so that's what it called. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so textured wise on your neck is really soft. So yeah, so if you're going to use the same yarn as I did, okay, I'm giving you the measurement, guys, and this is measurement of this length. So length, and this is 24" or 61 centimeters. Okay, and the width is 14 centimeters or 5.5". Okay, so that is our measurement. Okay, and you can customize on to your own. Okay, so as I gave you the measurements, so let's get started. For my tutorial, I'm not going to use this because this is quite a little bit difficult to work with, because you are going to find, okay, all these stitches, okay, there to work with. But with this tutorial, okay, with this project, what you have to do is when you stitch, okay, and we are just going to work single crochet. So if whatever single crochet do you have, and that's where you just have to count, because this is a small size, so it's very easy to count. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so I do have my 5mm hook and my 8-ply yarn. I'm going to show you using this yarn, because if I use my fairy floss, okay, it's not very easy. But I'm going to show you, okay, how you do it and how can you make your project right. Okay, so with the one that I made, I chained 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, then what I'm going to do is, from the second hook from our chain, I'm going to do a single crochet in each chain. Okay, so you have to count. Okay, you need to have 19 stitches after this. Okay, so you chain 20 and then you skip the 1 stitch and you work on the next, so you will end up 19 single crochet. Okay, so I am working on the back bump of our single crochet or our chain, sorry. Okay, so you can work in this side if that's what you prefer, but I want to work here so it's a nice edging there or a nice finish. Okay, so there's a few ways. Okay, you can do your single crochet after the chain. It's up to you what you prefer. Okay, sometimes I work on the side, sometimes if I want the finishing to be smooth, I use the back bump. Okay, so after this you're going to chain one and turn your work, and from here we're going to work on the back loop only. Okay, so the front and then the back. Okay, so single crochet in the back loop only, and you have to count. You need to have 19 single crochet that you will be working from here until you finish your row. Okay, so whatever yarn you will be using, it will be the same. Just continue doing or putting or working on your project, the stitches, the same stitches from the first row, okay, until to the end. Okay, so you just have to continue that, guys, doing this single crochet in the back loop only of your project, and when you get to the end, just make sure that you do have your 19 stitches. Okay, I'm going to count that for you guys when I finish my row. Okay, so that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, so chain one and then turn. Okay, and you will be working in the first back loop chain. Okay, and do your single crochet and 19 single crochet and the back loop only of your work. Okay, until you finish it. Okay, so as I mentioned before, if you're working or using the same yarn that I used, okay, you can customize as well if you need, you know, more longer. If you need longer or you want the wide to be a little bit wider, you can customize that very easily. Okay, so just chaining more if you want it wider, and doing your rows if you want it longer, doing your rows as well as the measurement that I gave you. So this will be look at like that, guys. So you just have to continue after this, chain one and then return your work and single crochet in the back loop only until you got your measurement. Okay, so this is how I crochet. Okay, so as I said, if you're going to use a bigger hook, okay, the result will be different. If you're going to use a smaller hook, the result will be smaller. If you're bigger, the project will be bigger. Okay, so continue that, guys, until you got your measurement, and I'll come back and show you what we're going to do next using my fairy floss project. Hello, guys. Okay, so I am back with my original project. Okay, so now I am just going to finish this off. And what I'm going to do is, okay, so this will look like that. So this will be our neck opening, and this will look like that. Okay, so I'm not going to fasten it all off, okay, or connect it all off. Okay, I'm just going to connect this side here. So let me just take that measurement, maybe around 2.5 inch. Okay, so 2.5 inch, connect all, and then just leave this in that side, so we do have our project something like this. Okay, so to connect this, guys, what I'm going to do is we finish here. Okay, so I'm just going to grab one side. Okay, and just make sure that we are grabbing the other side. And I am just going to do slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch, and to the next, grab there and grab into the other side and pull through all the loops. Okay, and the next, pull through all the loops. Okay, so just keep doing that, as I said, until we got around 2 inch, and we are going to finish there and fasten it off. And then I'm going to put this into my mannequin and my model, and we are finished with our project. Okay, so I'm going to do one more just to close it off, and then finish that. Okay, and then now we're just going to cut this off. Okay, so then if we put it inside out, okay, we have that covered. Okay, so I will finish this, guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll put this into our model, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. And thank you, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe into my channel for more videos in the future. Okay, guys, have a lovely day. See ya. Thanks for watching. Bye.